Hello everyone, welcome to my PHP. Today we will recommend about MAnimate Number. MAnimate Number is extension of Joomla. Now the website has many articles for users to read, so the article will have subtopics. This plugin will help to check about subtopic in the article to adding gimmick to websites. We will look about how to use this plugin. Okay, the first we will go to the article menu and open article. Okay, we will find about article that we want. Okay, if you open article, you can see about the number, and you will go to toggle editor, and if you want to edit number, you can edit here. So for example, we will edit to 50 and click save and close. Okay, if finished, you will go to your website and open plugin Animate Number. Okay, you can see the number run 1 to 50. Okay, so now you can use this plugin with your website to check about subtopics in the article or adding gimmick to your website. Okay, today we will finish this presentation. Thanks for watching.